Hello and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how we could redesign this thing right here, which is the bottom section of the navigation drawer. Now in the previous tutorial we have designed the top section of the navigation drawer, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about the bottom section. So the first thing which we are going to do is that we are going to remove these icons right here, and that is because in the Pisa application you don't need an icon of this camera or this gallery or this slideshow right here. So basically we are going to remove these things, and we are going to also make changes to the text which is present right over here. So in the Pisa application we have options like order pizza, menu and all that kinds of things. So basically we are going to make the same modifications. So the first thing which we need to do in order to remove these images is that we need to go to this menu folder, and inside the menu folder we have a file which is called as activity main drawer. So if we switch to this, as you could see, there is an option which is called as Android icon, and which basically assigns this image to the particular item. So what you need to do is that you need to go inside this item and you could delete this thing in order to remove the icon. Now one more thing which I would like to mention here is that if you wish to add your own icons to this, you could simply copy paste the image which you want to use inside the drawable folder, give it an ID and use that ID in here. So that basically is going to change the icon to the one which you want. But for the sake of this tutorial we are going to design the navigation drawer in a plain and simple fashion. So we are going to remove these icons. Make sure that you delete these icons, and once they are deleted you could just simply save the code. And when we switch back to this thing right here, as you could see, now the icons have been removed and we only have the text which is present on the navigation drawer. Now the next thing which we wish to do is that we also need to change these items right here. So we don't want this import gallery or slideshow, anything like that. So again we switch to this file which is called as the activity main drawer, and we make some changes here. So in here, instead of import, what we are going to change this to is, let's say, order, and also we are going to change the ID to, let's say, order, and we are going to make this as, let's say, order pizza. And for the next thing, let's name it as view menu. So we type view menu. So that basically allows us to view the menu of items, and let's name this as view menu. Then for the third item, let's say we name it as today's offers, and we change the title to today's offers. And final item, let's say we switch or we change this to, let's say, extras. So we type in extras here and we change the title to extras as well. And make sure that you remember these IDs and give them a relevant name, and that is because we are going to use these IDs later on. So once we are done with this, when we switch to this activity main, as you could see, now the options have been changed here. And also what you could do is that you could also make changes to these things. So let's say we want to mention our contact number here, so we switch here and we are going to change this to, let's say, contact us, and let's change this to contact us. And also let's change the final item to, let's say, rate app, and also let's change the title to rate us. So when the changes are done and when we switch to the activity main, as you could see, the options have been changed. Also let's make sure that we change this to capital U. So as you could see, now our navigation drawer is pretty much ready. Now the next thing which we are going to do is that we are going to take a test drive of this application. We are going to run it on the emulator and let's see how it looks like. So we simply save the code and we run our application on the emulator. And when we tried to run our application on the emulator, our application crashed, and that is because we got some errors. So basically what we have left out is that we actually need to go in this thing right here, and we are going to copy the ID of each and every item, and we switch back to the main activity.java, and we actually need to replace these IDs with these. And this error actually occurred. That is because we have made changes to the IDs here and we have not changed them inside the main activity. And also we are going to understand the significance of these things in the next tutorial. So for now, just simply copy these IDs and just simply paste it over here in the main activity, and make sure that you don't leave any of the items ID to be copied into this main activity, or else you are going to get an error. So once we are done with this, we are good to go. So let's save the code and let's try to run it on the emulator. So as you could see, our application is up and running on the emulator, and this is the basic window which we are going to get at the beginning. And this thing right here is what is going to open up your navigation drawer. So if we simply click it, as you could see, this is what our navigation drawer looks like. So when we select any of the options, what happens is that nothing opens up. We simply get this activity right here, and that is because we have not yet written the code for what actually happens when we select one of the options. So basically you could also pull this thing out and you could push it back in. So this is basically what a navigation drawer actually looks like. And in the next tutorial, we are going to learn how to make these things functional, so that whenever we select some of this option right here, it is basically going to open up a new activity instead of this activity right here. So that's it for this tutorial, and that basically covers how to design the bottommost part of our navigation drawer. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you.